Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real official, one and only, authentic, original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. Well, this is my 2009 Macbook. The side's broken, the case is cracked, and the hard drive is almost impossible to boot up without my hitting Command with the Control Option R. Thus the problem. This iPad will go off Monday for repair. By the way, major earthquake in Alaska, 7.0. My gut feeling a couple weeks ago when I announced of a 6 offshore there would be damage, a possible tsunami. I had a feeling something was going to go happen in Alaska very soon. I was right. Just got the timing wrong. But this MacBook, as you see, no matter how many times I restart, it will not restart. Monday I go get a 500 gigabyte hard drive that comes from a MacBook Pro, but I don't have the $138 to have it installed and have the information transferred from the hard drive that is dying to this one. So if you guys want the channel to continue, I've told you before, this MacBook is dying. That's what I need. I won't have it till January. And watch the channel when the iPad comes back. Monday I'm finally going to send this iPad back to Indiana to get the home button repaired. So I have one working Apple device. And then I will take the Mac Mini in February and get it up and running, put a new hard drive in it, and then start working to get a newer Mac or MacBook or Mac Mini, or I'd like to get a newer Mac Mini I can take with me once I buy the $200 LCD monitor. But at this point, that's the state of the MacBook. I've tried to restart it about 6 times, and it keeps going back to safe mode because the hard drive is dying. All right, that's it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm, wet, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there wherever you are, because it's a crazy day between rain in the campfire area where they had to evacuate people. One guy with his friends was gold mining in the Sierras. They had to rescue him from being flooded out, and a major earthquake in Alaska. And so if you don't see any videos, Monday this will go off to Indiana. It will take a day or two to get there. It will take a day to repair it and a day to get it back. So if you're looking at 5 days without anything going on, because I won't have a working device. Thank God I can watch YouTube on my television. And, by the way, for those who wonder, they made good computers back then before they started screwing with them and you couldn't repair them yourself. But the Apple IIe, the Apple IIGS, the Apple IIc all still work. Apple II forever. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh again. When the iPad gets returned, you will see new things for the channel. They're coming. New important items to improve the channel. But my subscribers, I'm not talking about the haters, because haters always hate. My subscribers need to step up and send me the money to fix this MacBook. I cannot do everything on my own on my limited budget, and don't give me any crap about I'm begging for money. You want the channel to run, you want to see videos, you've got to have working devices to do that. And right now every device I've got, the iPad is broken, the iPhone is broken, the Mac is dead, and the MacBook isn't working right. But there's new things coming, and you'll see them after the iPad comes back from repair to Indiana. So I want to let people know there will be changes, because you've always got to have a backup plan. And I love it when a plan comes together, and it's coming together. Bye-bye for now.